What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I haven't done that many plugin reviews over the past few weeks. I focus mainly on music, but I just couldn't resist. FabFilter put out Saturn 2. It was just impossible for me to resist, and I had to get it and try it out. So this is an incredible plugin, and it has a lot of new features, but in true all presets in fashion, I'll literally just apply it on some of these tracks and go through all of its presets. So I'm gonna try the first set of presets, the color ones, on some drums. I love that. It sounds awesome on drums. And the next set, which is drive, and even though I don't have guitars, I'll use on bass. So let's listen to the bass track. And as you can see, Saturn 1 is on this already, but let's see what kind of sounds we can get with 2. Equally awesome, but now we go to lo-fi, and I'm thinking of adding this to some synths. Let's turn off the drums and put the keys in. And now we get to the effects ones, which I'm assuming will get pretty crazy, but I'm excited to see what they sound like on these. Endless fun with this. One more thing I want to check out is the actual CPU load with some of these presets. So watch these numbers here. So as you can see on the superb quality, the previous one only had high quality on or off, so it's off and good. You do get kind of over 1%, and I mean, this can get taxing depending on what you do with it, but for most applications you don't need more than good, and as you saw with good, it's like a quarter of that, so it's usable in most sessions. But for the amount of information you get by looking at the screen and for the pristine sound quality, this plugin is just amazing. I highly recommend you try this out. It is on the expensive side, it's like 120 pounds, but if you own other plugins from FabFilter, you do get quite a nice discount. I mean, I got this for 19 pounds, which to be honest is a steal for how good this sounds. So let me know if you use this plugin. I'm extremely excited about it and can't wait to actually add it to the session. And yeah, let me know if you used it, what you thought about the video, and until next time, have fun with Saturn.